Hello students, now we meet again with the same and continued topic of trigonometry. Now we discussed in our previous lecture about trigonometrical identities, and trigonometrical identities we know very well about that. I discussed with you most important thing is that in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratio should be positive. Their derivation is also discussed in that topics. Now, all trigonometric ratio is positive in first quadrant. First quadrant, what is the range of first quadrant? The range of first quadrant more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. More than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Second quadrant, again discuss more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Third quadrant, more than 180 degree and less than 270 degree. Fourth quadrant, more than 270 degree but less than 360 degree. Now, in terms of the degree, angle discussed in our previous classes in class 10th and 9th. But in our higher classes like 11th, 12th and for completion point of view, we should discuss about in terms of radian. Angle is discussed in terms of radian. In measurement of triangle topic, we find the relation between degree, radian and grade. So my request to you, please read and see all topics measurement of angle. After that you should very clear about this topic. Now in terms of radian, 90 degree can be written as more than 0 degree but less than pi by 2. What is the value of pi 90 degree in terms of radian? Value of 180 degree in terms of radian. Now 270 degree is equal to 3 pi by 2 and 360 degree is 2 pi. Theta more than pi by 2 but less than pi. Pi means 180 degree. That is pi and less than 3 pi by 2. Theta more than 3 pi by 2 but less than 2 pi. So most important thing for this topic is that first of all we should decide the angle lies in which quadrant. First of all we should decide angle lies in which quadrant. After that we find their trigonometric ratios values. Angle lies in which quadrant decided by their range. For example, if we discuss about theta is equal to 135 degree, 135 degree or 3 pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4. Look here beta, 135 degree is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now 90 degree and here 135 degree. 135 degree lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Theta is equal to 225 degree. 225 degree. Very clearly, 225 degree nearest to which? 180 degree or 360 degree or 270 degree. So it will be more than 225 degree is more than 180 degree. It means but less than 270 degree. That's why 225 degree can be written as 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 45 degree. What is the meaning of 180 degree? 180 degree means this one, and after that 45 degree. Now 225 degree lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. So if our discussion about theta is equal to 390 degree. 390 degree lies in which quadrant? Sir, you discussed between only 0 to 360, but this value is larger than 360. Then how we decide their quadrant? Very simple. Since this value is more than 360, that's why 360 degree decided their quadrant. 360 decided their quadrant how? 360 decided their quadrant like that. Here 360 plus 30 degree. 360 degree means one complete rotation like that. One after one complete rotation, we make how much angle? 360 degree. After that, we moves more. More means we moves in which quadrant? 330 degree. So 360 degree. If our discussion for 330 degree, then what happened? If our discussion only for 330 degree, then it will be nearest to which angle? 330 degree nearest to 180 degree or 360 degree? Nearest to 360 degree. More than 360 degree or less than 360 degree? 360 degree, 330 degree is less than 360 degree. How much? 30 degree. That's why after rotating, this one is 360 degree but less than 30 degree. That's why we moves in which quadrant? We moves in fourth quadrant. 330 degree lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. By this discussion, we are very clear about that. What? First of all, we decided the quadrant. After that, why we decided quadrant? Because after deciding the quadrant, we find what? We find their trigonometric ratios angle. We have 4 words about that. All student ticket collector. All student ticket collector. What is the meaning of all? All means in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio should be positive. All trigonometric ratio, we have how much trigonometric ratio? 6. Sine, cos, tan, cos, sec and cot. All are positive. In which quadrant? First quadrant. What is the meaning of first quadrant? Between 0 to 90 degree. And now, if our angle larger than 90 degree, then what happened? Now we move in second quadrant. What about second quadrant? What is the nature of, what is the sign of nature? Nature of trigonometric ratio sign. So all student ticket collector. All student ticket collector. What is the meaning of this letter C? All means A. S, T, C. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio is positive. First quadrant matlab 0 to 90 degree. Second quadrant means 90, more than 90, but less than 180 degree. In this quadrant, only sine and cosec. Their reciprocal is what? Cosec. Only 2 trigonometric ratio is positive and other 4. What is the meaning of other 4? After sine and cosec, which 4 trigonometric ratios left? Cos, sec, tan and cot negative. In which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan and cot, T means tan and cot are positive and other 4 trigonometric ratios sine, cosec and cos and sec are negative. In which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. You learn only one thing. In the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, A. Look here, only 4. A, S, T, C. A means all positive in first quadrant. S means in second quadrant, only sine and cosec is positive. T means tan and cot is positive in third quadrant. And what about C? C for cos. Cos and sec is positive in fourth quadrant. After that, we changes their trigonometric ratios value or not. It will be decided with the addition and subtraction values of 180 plus minus theta, 360 plus minus theta, 270 plus minus theta and 90 plus minus theta. Now we discuss about that. Look here. First of all, we decided their sign. After that, we decide how the larger angle value, which is not lies between 0 to 90, will be find out. If our discussion, rule first. First rule is that if in case of 180 plus minus theta or pi plus minus theta, 360 plus minus theta, it means 2 pi plus minus theta in terms of radian. Two important things. No change in T ratios. T ratios means sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot is called T ratios. No change in T ratios, but their sign will be changed by ASTC method. ASTC method. Now we discussed very early about ASTC method. First important thing is that if we have, look here, if we have sin 180 minus theta, what happened? Cos 180 plus theta, what happened? Tan 180 plus minus theta, tan 180 plus theta, sin 360 minus theta, tan 360 minus theta, cos 360 minus theta, cot 360 plus theta. First, now our discussion is going on very clearly about that. What in case of 180, student, listen very carefully. 180 plus minus theta and 360 plus minus theta, no change in T ratios. It means sin is sin, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, sec is sec and cosec is cosec going on. All 6 trigonometric ratios have no change, but most important thing, their sign will be changed. Since no change in trigonometric ratio, that's why we write here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sin theta, tan theta, cos theta, cot theta, cos theta and cot theta. No change in trigonometric ratio, but sign will be changed. 180 minus theta. Please listen very carefully. 180. This one is called 180. This one is called 180 minus theta. Minus theta means in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, yes means sign will be positive. That's why here plus sign. 180 plus theta. Look here. 180 or plus theta. Plus theta means it moves in which quadrant? This angle moves in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos only tan and cot is positive. Cos should be negative. Tan 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta negative. In the second quadrant, only sin and cosec. Here tan, that's why negative. Here tan 180 plus theta. 180 plus means we moves in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. Tan is positive. 360 minus theta. This one is 360. Minus means we stop before this line. We stop before this line means we moves in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. 360 minus theta. Again fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Cos 360 minus theta. Only cos and sec is positive in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. That's why plus 360 plus. 360 plus means we moves in which quadrant? First quadrant. In the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio is positive. By this process, we find any value, any angle which is larger, which is not lies between 0 to 90. We changed all trigonometric angle in terms of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. After changing in a smaller angle, because why we change this one? All angle in terms of 0, because we know about that angle value, that trigonometric angle value. We know very well sine 30 degree value. What is the value of sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Tan 45, 1. That's why all larger angle will be changed in non-trigonometric ratio angle. That will be 0, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. Now, with example, we discussed about that. If we want to find out value of sine 135 degree. Look here, beta. 135 degree nearest to which angle? 180 degree or 360 degree? 135 is nearest to 180 degree. Larger than 180 degree or smaller than 180 degree? So smaller than 180 degree. How much? 45 degree. That's why it will be converted in terms of sine 180 minus 135 degree means 45 degree. Sine 180 minus theta, no change in trigonometric ratio. That's why sine 45 degree. This angle lies in which quadrant? Second. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. That's why what is the value of sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2. If our discussion about tan 135 degree, again 135 degree can be written in terms of 180 minus 45. No change in trigonometric ratio, that's why. But 135 lies in which quadrant? Second. And second tan is negative. That's why minus 1. If our discussion in terms of radian, then what happened? Nothing. If you have cos 5 pi by 4, then you write there 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 means 5 plus pi by 4. Now pi plus theta, no change in t ratios. That's why cos pi by 4. Pi, this angle is pi or pi plus moves in which quadrant, beta? So third quadrant. This angle moves in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant, t. For third quadrant, what? T. Only t is positive. Tan and cot is positive. Cos is negative now. This will be 1 upon root 2. If two more example about that. Look here. If you have larger value, for example, very popular number of mathematics, like that, we have sine 420 degree. 420 degree. Look here, 420 degree. Larger than 360. How much? 60. It can be written as sine 60. Why sine 60? Why sine trigonometric ratio is not changed? Why? Because in case of 360 degree, plus minus theta, no change in trigonometric ratio, that's why it will be sin 60. Sin 60, 360 plus 60, 360 plus 60. We moves in which quadrant? First means all are positive, that's why it will be sin 60 means root 3 by 2. That by this process you find all values, all larger and more larger value. If you have any problem, then you ask with comment box or anything else, and also you discuss with your respective teacher. Now, if second rule, what is the second rule? Rule number 2. In case of 90 plus minus theta pi by 2 plus minus theta, 90 means this line, y-axis line change. 90 plus minus theta 180 plus minus theta, 270, this line is 270 plus minus theta and 3 pi by 2. 270 is written in terms of radian. Then what happened? Then we have, look here, T ratios change as such. T ratios change as such. Sin is converted in cos, and cos is converted in sin. Tan in cot, and cot in sin. Tan. Sec converted in cosec, and cosec converted in sec. It means vice versa. Sin, cos, cos, sin, tan, cot, cot, tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec. When if our addition of angle in terms of 90 plus minus theta or 270 plus minus theta, in terms of radian, pi by 2 plus minus theta and 3 pi by 2 plus minus theta. Pi by 2, this line is pi by 2 minus theta. First quadrant, pi by 2 plus theta. Second quadrant, 3 pi by 2 or 270 minus theta. Third quadrant, 270 plus theta. Fourth quadrant. If, for example, if we have sin pi by 2 or 90 minus theta, cos 90 plus theta, sin 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, cot 90 plus theta, sec 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Here sin 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, sec 270 minus theta, cosec 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta and cot 270 minus theta. Now, rule second says what? In case of 90 degree plus minus theta, 270 plus minus theta, T ratios change as such. Sin becomes cos. So sin 90 plus theta is written as cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta, cos becomes sin. That's why sin theta. Tan 90 plus theta, cot theta, and cot 90 plus theta, tan theta. Sec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta, sec theta. But again, Most important. But sign changed by ASTC method. This rule is explained by that. Sign changed by ASTC method. Sign by ASTC. What is ASTC? 90 plus means 90. This one is 90. And 90 plus, we move in which quadrant in case of 90 plus theta? 90 plus theta means second quadrant. And the second quadrant only sine and cosec is positive. Sine and cosec is positive. And other four negative. 270 minus theta. In case of 270 minus theta, this one is 270 minus theta. We move in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In the case of the third quadrant, only tan and cot is positive. Sine, cos theta, cos, sine theta, sec, cosec theta, cosec, sec theta, tan, cot theta and cot, tan theta. Only tan and cot is positive and other four trigonometric ratio should be negative. Other four trigonometric should be negative. Now we discussion about what? For some more example. Like that, some more example. Our example. जैसे बेटा, if we have sine 120 degree, cos 120 degree, tan 210 degree, 210 degree, sec 330 degree, 330 degree. Look here, first of all sine 120 degree nearest to 90 degree or 270 degree. 120 degree nearest to 90 degree, more than 90 degree or less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree. How much? 30 degree. That's why it will be written as sine 90 plus theta. Trigonometric ratio change. Sine becomes cos. That's why cos 30 degree. But sine we moves in which quadrant? Second. In second quadrant sine is positive. That's why here cos 30 degree and value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. In case of cos 120 degree, you write again here cos 90 plus 30 cos change in which trigonometric ratio? Sine 30 degree. In which quadrant? Second quadrant. So cos is negative. And value of sec 330 degree nearest to 270 or 90? 270. Larger, how much? 60. Sec converted in which trigonometric ratio? Cosec 60 degree. You know very well. 270 plus. It means we moves in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sec and cos and sec is positive. That's why here positive sign, and it will be 2 by root 3. By this process you find all trigonometric ratio angle either larger, more than 270, 30, 360, if 1020 degree, 210 degree, anything else. By these two property you find all trigonometric ratios angle value by changing that's one either first rule or second rule. Same problem is solved with 180 plus minus and 360 plus minus, and same problem also solved by 270 plus minus and what? 90 plus minus. By this process you find all angle. I think I will try for your best. If you find much better, then you like our channel and support to my activity is going on very positively. Thank you very much looking and teaching or study with us. Thank you very much.